I heard it.
Good. Yeah, it's leaking.
Okay, it's only the inside. It's only the outside. It's only the outside.
Yeah, that's gonna go easy.
Okay.
Just pull the tire in.
Good, go. Steering up.
Keep going. You're good.
Okay, miscommunication. We thought the focus group were looking for something on the short.
More than 25 pounds this time.
I'll go and I'll figure out the what are we at?
We're at 15.
Now I gotta go down to Casey's and spend a fucking half hour filling the tank up.
Oh, fuck.
That's alright. You got a pump. That's why we're here.
I've got a hand pump, but it's in my trailer. A little more. Can we get the other side too?
Yes.
Thank you. 28 bucket.
How are your rears?
Pump the rear. Right. Thank you, though. Where'd this jack come from?
Hit it.
Good. Ship it.
Go straight to the line.
Straight to the line, check.
Yep, just tell them you got a rerun.
Got air.
All right. Go for it.
Going for it.
All right, don't do that again.
No. $46.4.